Today everyone, we are the group 10 and we are going to report about the cultivating inner peace. Okay, so let's learn together about how to acquire inner peace from the outside and the inside. Okay, so think to yourself, how to cultivate inner peace? So, cultivating inner peace is the process of developing a state of calm, serenity, and balance within yourself. It involves understanding yourself, your emotions, and your values, and practicing self-compassion and gratitude. So, to acquire peace, you have to connect with nature or spending time in solitude. Mas makahuna-huna ang isa ka tao kung naa siya sa state of calmness, solitude, mag-inusara lang siya, kay dira magud dira murag maka-relax ang iyang utok. Mas makahuna-huna siya maayo pag wala siya sa kagubot o nara siya nagpundo sa hilom. So, for example, focus on the present moment. Designate something as an anchor or to your peaceful present moments, like the face of your watch, veins on your wrist, or anything you can focus on quickly and easily bring back a feeling of peace. Like ga-focus ka sa isa ka butang or isa sa mga nakita nimo nga maka bring back sa imong nostalgic feeling nga, like diri sa una, diri pa migadula sa una, mingaw pa kayo, wala pa'y problema, bang, peace. Naka-acquire kag peace sa pag-focus lang ug naay mga memories nga nagbalik sa imong hunahuna.
Create a daily peace practice. Example, journaling, prayer, write a daily gratitude, pay attention to the beauty and magic each day. This practice is designed to be adapted to your lifestyle and can be adjusted as needed. The key is the consistency, even if it's just for a few minutes. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate all stress and negativity, but to develop the skills to manage them effectively and cultivate a greater sense of inner peace.
So another thing about how to cultivating some inner peace is to live simply. Inner and outer clutter is distracting and complicate our lives. On some level, they keep us on edge all the time, creating a physical environment that is peaceful and calm with nature. Same with you. Okay, so ang sulod o gawas na mga kalat or mga kagubot, mao na sila ang mga hinungdan sa mga distractions o makakomplikado sa atong kinabuhi. So how to avoid it? You have to be on your own. You have to like likay to the gubot, something like that, so you can acquire a peaceful mind and a peaceful heart.
So don't marinate in your upset. Stop replying the story and triggering the feeling over and over. So kini siya is it is mean na kanang, so kini ang ginamin ani is ayaw kanang baliki kung unsay sakit nga nahitabo sa mga sa una, ug ayaw hunahuna ang mga sakit nga kanang mga niagi kay makalabad rin siya sa like for example, imong ex kung makasakit na sa mga bad influence or kanang makakuha na sa mga maka-trigger na sa mga mental health. So, ayan, nabaliki. Ano? So, sabotabol ra kayo, no? So, ug unsay mga nahitabo, dili gid siya sa atong niagi, ayaw na gid siya baliki. And then isa sa dana is nalagay kay kawas. So, instead of vocal ka, sa kuan kanang instead of vocal ka sa imong kuan ka magpadala ka sa imong emotions, which is kanang try to be Try to be understanding and also don't let your emotion control. So, set aside lang ni mo yung ego para dali ka makakuha sa mga pamagi sa mga batasan, no? And control sa imong ginabuhat para makabuhat ka o ka na para dili ka makabuhat og dili maayo na makagiba sa uban, makadat sa uban kay tungod sa imong nitabo sa una. So control lang kamata. What does it mean cultivate inner peace? So this means you have to total control how much peace you experience and attract in your life. So kini siya is sabotable naman siya kay na naman siya sa screen, di ba? Ang iyang ginamit. Pero ang ako lang ni Kwan is nagpamatuod lang niya siya nga ikaw ang nagbitbit sa imong life, sa imong kinabuhi na kanang asa ka padulong, ikaw maghatag og kalinaw, control sa imong life na dito ba ka sa bad or kanang good influence sa imong na dili maka-apekto sa imong mental health, which is maghatag og kalinaw sa imong life. And then sumato ikaw ra gyud ang magdala control kung asa ka padulong sa imong mga muadto ay or asa ka muadto like kinan. Sumato
5 ways to cultivate inner peace. Number 1, peace is the knowing you are always loved and support. It's a reminder that the love and support comes from within you and from others. Number 2, peace is believing that the world is for you and not against you. It's about trusting that the challenge are opportunities for growth and that good things can come from experience. Number 3, peace comes from realization you are more than your mind. Recognizing what our true selves extend beyond our thoughts and mental construct can indeed bring peace. Number 4, peace comes from connecting to the deepest part of yourself. True peace arises from understanding and accepting your inner being. Number 5, peace comes from with you stand still, quitting the minds and embracing the present moment.